backdrop of Indo-Naga agreement that came to reach on October 31st last, behind closed doors in New Delhi, massive human chain protests were staged in different parts of Imphal East today, demanding disclosure of the agreement. The centre has issued advisory to all the states to remain alert and rush around 4,000 paramilitary personnel to Uttar Pradesh ahead of the crucial Supreme Court verdict on Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute case. Railway Police has also cancelled leave of its force and step up vigil on 78 major stations and on trains as a part of security preparedness, according to media reports. Tribal Research Institute Manipur and All Tribal Students Union Manipur, in association with Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur, under the aegis of Ministry of Tribal Affairs today, organized an awareness program on women and child trafficking among tribals, means of protection at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, Imphal. Manipur police arrested 2 active cadres of proscribed UNLF during counter-insurgency operation at Singjamai Chinga Mathak, Imphal yesterday. They have been identified as MD Nazmuddin, age 46 of Urup Chinga Laikai, and Chingakham David Maitay, age 32 years of Kaira Wangkhem. A one-day mall market is open today in front of Ideal Club of Sagolwan Tera in Imphal West. The temporary market is jointly organized by IPSA, Mall Market Coordinating Council and other local clubs and organizations. A team of Imphal East Commando, including women police personnel under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal East, T.H. Krishna Tombi, conducted combing operation at Andro parking area of Imphal East this morning. Around 94 persons were verified while 4 persons were picked up and handed over to Porompat Police Station for further verification. New Age Progressive Farmers Club and Thobal Khekman Apunma Maira Paibi organized a torch rally last night in support of the ongoing statewide Kokomi-led agitation. The rally started from Khekman Jilla, Kaithel and culminated at Laisangthen. Joint Committee on People's Welfare Yairipok, an apex body of 12 local clubs, Yairipok organized a torch rally demanding disclosure of the Indo-Naga agreement on October 31st. An overnight earthquake in northwestern Iran today killed 5 people and injured 120, according to media reports. The 5.9 magnitude quake struck about 120 kilometers southeast of the city of Tabriz in East Azerbaijan province in the early hours of the morning. Manchester United reached the Europa League knockout stage with 2 games to spare after goals by Mason Greenwood, Anthony Martial and Marcus Rashford secured a 3-0 home win over Partizan Belgrade in Group L last evening. As per reports, the result left Manchester top of the group on 10 points from 4 games. Third place Partizan have 4 points and Astana none. Chinki Yadav kept India's hope of securing the second Olympic quota alive in the women's 25m pistol, clinging to 5th place in the first round qualification of the Asian Shooting Championship yesterday. Chinki shot an exceptional 292 and will be looking on to make the final on today and take a shot at clinching one of the 4 available Tokyo berths. Rahi Sarnobad has already secured the other quota place for India in the event in earlier competitions. Apart from Chinki, Vivan Kapoor and Isha Singh won 2 gold each as India dominated the junior competitions, where they have accounted for 18 of the 23 medals won so far by the country.